Mrs. Meyer bought 4 bags of candy. Each bag contained 63 pieces of candy. She saves 42 pieces of candy for her children's lunches and will use the rest for Halloween night. Which diagram shows a way to find N, the number of candies Mrs. Myers will use for Halloween night? First of all, I know that she has 4 bags of candy. So my strip diagram has to represent 4 bags of candy, each having 63 pieces in it. But I also have this 42 pieces that she saves for her children's lunches. And then I need to have my strip diagram show this multi-step problem reflecting also that 42 that is left behind. So I know with the strip diagram, one side is the altogether and the other side is the parts. And because this has 42 pieces here, I have to represent that as not part of the 4 bags that got distributed. So here I have the 4 bags, and then it's asking for the total, but it doesn't represent the 42 pieces. So I know that that cannot be my answer. The next I have my 4 bags, and the N represents how many she gave away, and then in addition to that I have some 42 pieces. So this may be the answer. Let's look here. I have 1 part of 42. I have the unknown, which is how much was given away, and my total is 63. Well, I know my total is not 63 because each bag had 63, so that cannot be the answer. Now this one has my altogether is unknown, and it has that I have 3 parts. I have 4 as one of my parts, 63 as one of my parts, and 42 as one of my parts. That does not represent my 4 bags of candy that have 63. This would be an addition equation, whereas the 4 bags of 63 would be multiplication. So that is not my answer. So the correct answer is B.